Welcome everyone. This is going to be a multi-part tutorial for beginning Multimedia Fusion 2. I'm going to start off by doing the tutorial that comes with the program. You can find it here, the tutorial. We go through about step 10. After step 10 we're going to be doing something different after you get the score to work. So I'd recommend that you load up that tutorial and go through that as I'm going to make this right now. I'm just going to throw this together really quick. You need the player and the ball. I'm going to not add the bricks right now. Most of these right now are active objects. This player movement is going to be mouse controlled. If we edit that, we want to control the area he can move in, like so. And the ball is going to be a bouncing ball. This is a built-in movement to Multimedia Fusion 2. It's actually pretty nice. You're going to choose, these are the directions, so when the game first starts out, it's going to choose one of those randomly and the ball's going to go in that direction. In order to get this to work, let's switch the code and some new events when the ball collides with some of these objects. I'm going to copy that down a couple of times to do all the sides. So when the ball hits any of those, the ball is going to bounce off of them. And also when the ball collides with the player, the ball will bounce off. Okay, if we play this now, we have a functional game. The ball will bounce around forever and we can play with it and hit it. It's not that great of a game yet though. So let's add in the bricks. We can add in one of the milks. Let's duplicate this, not clone, but duplicate. And I'm going to say 8 rows and 11 columns. And let's put 2 pixels between each of those. Okay, so here is all of our bricks. Someplace like that. And let's add in some code for the bricks. So when the ball collides with the bricks now, what do we want to happen? We first want the ball to bounce. We also want the brick to destroy. And we want player's 1 score to increase, let's say, 10 points per brick. Play this now and you have a functional game. Except when the ball leaves, it's kind of lost forever. We can't ever get it back. That's the next thing we're going to fix. And also I need, when the keyboard presses escape, we're going to end the whole game. Okay, so when the ball leaves, the ball is going to be traveling downwards, and if it's down there, it's just going to keep on going down. One way to do that is to destroy the ball when it leaves and make a new one here. But instead of that, we are going to test if the ball leaves. Position and test. Try that again. Position, test ball position. It really can't leave on the top or sides. We're only interested in the bottom. So I'm going to say when the ball leaves the play area on the bottom, the ball is, instead of bouncing or destroying or something, we're going to position it right back here at the top. And at the same time, instead of having it go down, we're going to have it choose one of these upward directions again. So it will look like the ball just reset, even though it's the same ball again. And from this point, we have a pretty functional game. We can play for a while and it'll do all of its stuff. Before we end this part of the tutorial, there's a couple things we want to do. I'm going to insert a lives object. That can sit right there. We're also going to insert a score object right here. When the ball leaves the player on the bottom, we also want to take one alive from the lives. So subtract number of lives, 1. We can't get a game over or anything because we haven't done the test position here of do I still have lives or not, or what happens when the lives go down to 0, which we can do later, but not right now. So from this point, we do have a functional game. Our lives go down, the score goes up, things break. So there's going to be some other parts. I said we're going to deviate from what the tutorial tells us to do. and that's going to be adding power-ups. So in the game, power-ups are going to come out and do different things. We're going to make this pretty unique and make it our own. Lastly, there's a few of these objects, these 6 or 7 objects right here, that are very important to understand before we kind of go on and do other things. These computers right here are controlling the special events, special objects. So if you ever want to play with global values or global strings, you want to do fast loops, we're going to be talking about that in other videos, or randomizing, that is all done with these computers. The speaker does the sound, any sound effects or music you want. The chessboard with the knight piece, that controls the storyboard option. So if you want to jump to different frames to do game overs, or next levels, or the start of the game, or a leaderboard, something like that, that would be frames. You can end or restart the application, or restart the frame. You can do screen scrollings, pausing, all that stuff. The timer, MultimediaFusion2 does come with a timer. If you want more, they're not hard to actually program yourself. But this one comes built into MultimediaFusion. The next one is this cube, see-through with a spark on it. This controls making new objects. So if you ever want to make a new object, like making more balls, or making more players, or making more bricks, that would be done in this column. The keyboard controls, or it can get information about anything the keyboard or mouse is doing, so it can find where the mouse is on the screen, or what the mouse is doing. And this is one that confuses lots of new people. This does say that it's the player, and this is the lives and this is the score, but these are really just displays only. This is player 1, and this object controls who's player 1, what are the controls for player 1, how many lives, what's the score. We can access all of that stuff here through this player 1. This is just an object that the player happens to control. These are only displays. They don't represent the lives themselves. And that about wraps it up for this video. And the next video we're going to be doing power-ups. In the next video we're going to be doing a little bit more intense power-ups. So before you go on to watch the next videos, get at least to this part of the playable game. And then I'll see you next video.